Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You have the essentials: a USB-C power source and a lightning device. Plug the USB-C end into the charger or computer port firmly. You should feel its seat. Then align the lightning plug with the device port. Do not force it, because correct orientation prevents bent pins and intermittent charging. Once connected, check the device display or charging indicator. If it shows charging, you're fine. If not, unplug and reseat both ends slowly, making sure contacts are clean and dry. Next, manage power and data roles. If you're using a 20W USB-C charger, your device can fast charge. Slower chargers give lower current. If connected to a computer, your device may prompt to allow data access. Tap Allow when you want file transfer. Make sure the computer port supports both power and data. Some ports are power only. Once transfers start, monitor progress and avoid disconnecting. If charging is slow, try a higher wattage charger or a different USB-C port to rule out port limitations. To finish, safely eject the device from the computer before unplugging to prevent file corruption, then remove the lightning end. If charging or data fails, try the cable with another known working charger or device. That tells you if the cable is bad. Also inspect and clean ports using compressed air. Make sure there's no debris. If problems persist, replace with an MFI-certified cable. Damaged cables can harm both charger and device. One quick tip: a gentle wiggle while plugged can show intermittent contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.